This is a Wayside waterfall. You can see the water gushing down. Not a big fall, but perhaps if you go near, we could see it better. The sound of the water and right on the road. We are going to a place called Balat. This is in the border area. I have with me people from the border security force who are going to take us. We have come with two jeeps, one a little larger one where our provisions are kept, and then of course we have this jeep Bolero, and it's nice, beautiful scenery all around, and various kinds of plantations. If you see, not what is found in a normal forest. Some of them are herbal trees, and there's bananas and thick foliage, which you can see. So this is the last day of May as I travel to the border areas, and place is dense.